So one of the things I wanted to mention was this shift lever, or shift rod I should say, that's right here where that bell crank goes into. So it pushes this guy, up and down, and causes it to go under forward or reverse. This adjustment is critical also, and usually doesn't change unless somebody's messed with it once before. But here's some of the specs I came up with. From the base of the housing, when you separate these two, if you have the new style detent, it's 7.207 inches. With the old detent, it's 1.56. And if you're going to measure it with the shift cover in place, I measured my shift cover, and it's 255 thousandths thick. So you'd subtract that from that number if you're going to try measuring it from the top of the shift cover. But if you take the shift cover off and you have a long enough, caliper or something, measuring tool, or you can even use a tape measure and just measure it off. These are the specifications. Now, Wayne Cole had told me from TC Marine that essentially this is the shift lever rod itself, and he said 8 turns, basically 8 turns, and that'll give you enough pressure to make sure that this thing is fully engaged in drive. And there again, that's the money gear, right? We can live without reverse. But we definitely need drive. If something breaks, we can get back to the dock or whatever. So that's just one thing I wanted to mention before the adjustments up on top.